Welcome to Learn Karaoke.
The wheels on the farm bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the farm bus go round and round, all through the farm. The cows on the bus go moo moo moo, moo moo moo, moo moo moo. The cows on the bus go moo moo moo, all through the farm. The chickens on the bus go cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck. The chickens on the bus go cluck cluck cluck, all through the farm. The pigs on the bus go oink oink oink, oink oink oink, oink oink oink. The pigs on the bus go oink oink oink, all through the farm. The ducks on the bus go quack quack quack, quack quack quack, quack quack quack. The ducks on the bus go quack quack quack, all through the farm. The sheep on the bus go ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. The sheep on the bus go ba ba ba, all through the farm. The horses on the bus go neigh neigh neigh, neigh neigh neigh, neigh neigh neigh. The horses on the bus go neigh neigh neigh, all through the farm. The goats on the bus go meh meh meh, meh meh meh, meh meh meh. The goats on the bus go meh meh meh, all through the farm. The cat on the bus goes meow meow meow, meow meow meow, meow meow meow. The cat on the bus goes meow meow meow, all through the farm. The tractor on the bus goes vroom vroom vroom, vroom vroom vroom, vroom vroom vroom. The tractor on the bus goes vroom vroom vroom, all through the farm. The farmers' kids go yay yay yay, yay yay yay, yay yay yay. The farmers' kids go yay yay yay, all through the farm.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.